Hello, welcome to CryptoReality. Today we're gonna talk about XRP US dollars. So please remember that I'm not your financial advisor and I just wanted you to share my insights. So please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. So let's dive in now. So what's going on in the market? Let's go. As you can see here, XRP is sitting around 2.87 US dollars, and I'm expecting a pump to the upside, especially with this kind of pattern, this head and shoulders pattern. See that, guys? Let's see the measured move of it. Okay, if I'm right, there could be a possibility that this is an inverse head and shoulders. So with the measured move of this one, the upside here, so we're gonna pump here around here to my 93, or even reaching this high 2.94. So here's my possible scenarios here. We pump here, drop, and then we continue down to the downside. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting here. Or if we manage to go above here, then that could be a nice breakout to the upside. If you manage to break this, we go up here, and hopefully we manage to break this and then we go pump, or else you're gonna go down again. Or even here, after breaking this, you're gonna dump here. If you can manage to beat those resistance, then we're fucked up. Especially we already broken the trend line, right? And we break out to the downside. Just like what I've said, we're gonna consolidate here, and now it's already broken and then dump. So what's my expected price? As you can see here, this is a triangle there with the measured move. This one, this one. So it's much more likely that we found the bottom here at 2.83. Okay, so let's go on higher time frame here for our time frame. Am I seeing this correctly? So the point of this is hitting this. See if we pump, got rejected here. See, it's already here. We got rejected, then dump here. That's gonna be the case here. So hopefully, if we can continue here, go down, up, hopefully it breaks to the upside. If not, then we're gonna consolidate here until the apex is reached. Before decision time, we're gonna go down or we're going up. That's what I am looking here. That's what I am waiting here. So are we done yet? Are we going to the bear market? I guess not, and I hope not. Just like what I've said, if you're in doubt, just zoom out and look out for the possibilities here. We're still holding this 20 AMA, so I am still bullish here in XRP. So let's see about BTC. As you can see here, Bitcoin is now at the resistance here. We have an upper trend resistance, just like we did here. So I was just thinking that this one is an inverse head and shoulders pattern with a measured move of this one. Okay. So my measured move is, oh, I'm sorry, here's your breakout candle. So here, your 157,000 US dollars still at play. And also this is a flag, yeah, bull flag, I don't know. That's what I am seeing here in the BTC. What I'm expecting next week is that if we close the candle right before in your eyes like this one, I'm gonna expect BTC to drop again here and then go up. That's what I'm looking here. Your daily time frame, yeah, as you can see, a clear rejection here. Maybe we touch this 20 EMA, this resistance, your yellow line, 117,000 US dollars. Maybe we can drop there. Right now we can consolidate and then drop, consolidate and then pump. That's what I see. But this double bottom pattern is already at play. Here's a conservative target. You reach that and you reach the high, right? So why am I looking at this? Your 157,000 US dollars, because that's your Fibonacci extension level, 1.618, just like what I've shown you in my past videos. What else? Your Ethereum. Here's your Ethereum. Can I remove this? Already reached this one. Okay. Now we're consolidating here. Look at this one. What are we making here? There you go. What was that? A flat line? Yeah, that's typically bullish though. So with this one, we can go on this one. Coming up. Maybe reaching this 5.8 to 5.7, 1,800 US dollars for Ethereum for the next breakout. Also, here's your Fibonacci extension from this low to this low. Yeah, here's your 161855. Let's go on a weekly here for Ethereum. By the way, I love these tokens because these were the blue chips. So yeah, you see here, I've drawn this and the targets were 18 to 24 US dollars with 4,000 US dollars for Ethereum. But let's just say I'm gonna remove all of this. I want to show you something here. This is your all-time high 4.86. Look at these Fibonacci extensions here. Here, as you can see, we reached this 2618. Right? But what if we go lower now? Could expect the same thing because we have a lot of cryptos now. So I'm expecting Ethereum to go here. Here 2618. Right. This is where I am looking at. Here 10,900 or 11,000 should I say. And if it does, then 15,000 US dollar for Ethereum might play. Also this triangle, I don't know if it's triangle because I haven't seen it good like this. A, B, C, D. I hope that's it before it bumps, but it doesn't. So that's not what I'm looking here. Maybe I'm gonna say this is just a double bottom. Let's see with a measured move this one. Okay. Therefore, sometimes it aligns, right? Here. As you can see, the measured move aligns with the 3618, your 15,000 US dollars for Ethereum. So let's all wait. And as you can see here, we're still holding the 20 EMA for Ethereum here. Maybe this week will end a bearish week, which is going down here. You see that down, and this moving average is going up before it bumps. Yeah. So that's all for today. If you learned something here, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye bye.